So I hope you've got some stuff out of these videos that we've presented to you so far in regards to where we're at with the new music industry and what you can actually do with the opportunities that have been presented to you. Hopefully I've given you a little bit of information about what you need in your toolkit and about a few of the platforms that you might be able to get yourself onto to start creating some of those opportunities for yourselves. But we can have all this knowledge and learn all these things through courses and everything else, but we really do need to keep our finger on the pulse of what's happening in the music industry. An easy way to do that is to subscribe to music podcasts. A great one that I can recommend is Chris Bradley's Produce Like a Boss. She releases a new podcast every Sunday night in the US, which is Monday mornings here. And she covers everything, and she's got her finger on the pulse for sure. But there's a heap of others, and here's some examples. Another way is to read books. I know there's a lot of you that don't really get into books, but you know, there's audio books out there as well too these days. I've just finished reading The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey, and I totally recommend it, along with maybe some of these other books as well. Follow other successful musicians that you admire and aspire to emulate, because they're out there doing it. They're being successful. Check out what they're doing on socials, marketing-wise, and what they're using, and that'll help you for sure. Do courses. Plenty of courses out there. So any sort of skill set that you're lacking, there's a course out there for it. And some of these courses are so cheap or they're free. And then stay up to date, or better still, ahead of the masses with socials and the algorithms that they keep changing on us. And again, there's a heap of people out there that's their thing, that they keep their eye on what's going on with all the algorithms with social media, and also see what's happening in regards to which one is the most popular. I think right now it's TikTok, tomorrow it could be something completely different. But you've got to stay up with what's happening. But at the same time, just find that one that you're comfortable with being on and stick with it and get good at it, rather than spreading yourself across too many platforms and not actually doing a great job. So put it in the calendar and pick up a book or listen to a podcast and get inspired to be in the new music industry. Thanks for watching. You'll find more videos from Northern Territory artists at channelnt.com.au.